Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll talk to you a little bit about Data Science 101 and whether we've really reached a strong consensus on what should be covered in the curriculum. My name is Amy Schwab-McCoy. I'm currently a faculty member at Creighton University teaching data science and statistics in the mathematics department. So my perspective comes from statistics education, where we have something known as a consensus curriculum. Essentially, there's an agreement, or sort of an agreement, on what topics should be covered in an introductory statistics course. What I wanted to know was whether or not there was the same agreement for data science. So to find out, we surveyed faculty who were either teaching data science or plan to in the next 1 to 2 years, and we asked them a lot of questions. For today, I'm going to briefly focus on the content areas and topics that should be included in an Intro to Data Science course. So to learn more about this, we asked our faculty to rate a list of provided knowledge or content areas as either included in the intro course, included elsewhere in the curriculum, not covered, or unknown. There were 34 of these knowledge or topic areas, so quite a long list. We built this based on 3 resources, so the Edison Data Science Framework, the Curriculum Guidelines for Undergraduate Programs in Data Science, and the ACM Task Force on Data Science Education all informed the topics that were chosen. So first, what I'd like to do is focus on the most popular topics in Data Science 101. And right away, you can see that there's kind of a disconnect between the top 3 most important topics and then everything else. So exploratory data analysis, data tidying, and ethics in data science were the most important topics, or the most popular topics for the introductory course. After that, there's a bit more of a plateau. Reproducible research, regression methods, data life cycle, and data curation were covered by a little more than half of the data science instructors. Everything else failed to reach 50% support. And you can see that there's a lot of variation still in these most popular topics. Some classes are focusing on data architecture, data lifecycle. Others are focusing on custom visualization, supervised learning, text mining. So there's a lot of variation beyond those essential topics. We also asked about topics that are most popular in the curriculum. So here we're seeing the ones that are most often covered, maybe not in the first course. What I want to emphasize here are the topics that our instructors felt could wait, could come after that first course. So traditional inference, things like t-tests, our instructors thought that could wait. Linear algebra, certainly essential, that could wait. Simulation-based inference and experimental design also fell into this list. We also asked whether or not certain topics were left out because they were covered before, so what were the prerequisites for the introductory course. About a quarter of the classes taught courses with a computer science prerequisite, about a quarter had a statistics prerequisite, over half didn't have any prerequisites. So for many students, and maybe your students, introductory data science is the first exposure to computing, statistics, or data analysis. So have we learned anything? Are we at a consensus? We're getting there. There were a lot of topics that were included by over half of respondents. Exploratory data analysis and data visualization, data cleaning, data science, ethics certainly were those top 3. But beyond that, there's still a lot of variation in what an intro course could look like. So when you're thinking about your own introduction to data science courses, remember one flavor probably doesn't suit all. So think about what your students need and where your course maybe falls in the range of flavors. Thank you.